Swinson.
Question number 4, Mr. Speaker.
The level of drug misuse in prisons has declined by 71% since the introduction of mandatory drug testing in 1996. The latest results from the Surveying Prisoner Crime Reduction Studies suggest that 7 to 8% of prisoners had their first use of heroin in custody, whilst 81% had used drugs in the year before custody. The steps to tackle drug use include drug-free wings and drug recovery wings, procuring a networked intelligence system, a comprehensive corruption prevention strategy, new technology to tackle the availability of drugs and phones in prisons, and building on existing prison security measures.
Swinson.
I thank the Minister for that answer, but the fact that any prisoners are first trying heroin when they're actually in prison is shocking. And the very concept of drug-free wings shows just how bad the situation has become. Will the Minister undertake a thorough review of the supply routes by which drugs are getting into prisons, be that via visitors, staff or the mail system, and act to cut them off so that all of our prisons can be drug-free?
Well, the Honourable Lady is right, but the position is historically improving over the last 16 years or so. But one should remember that prisons are mini communities with very high volumes of legitimate communications and access to the outside world. Prisons cannot be hermetically sealed, and the Honourable Lady did draw attention to the number of many different routes to smuggle drugs. However, but of course, we examine all of those routes into prison and act to interdict and address all of them with the resources that we have available, and including new technology.